Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and will share with you one of the update related to the company GeoStar, which is hiring SDET. So let me start with the first opportunity. It is with respect to BitSquared software, and they are looking to hire quality assurance, manual as well as automation with 0 to 2 years of experience. And the location is Indore, and the job type would be full time. So here, familiarity with Java programming is a plus point. Now, these days, you'll find this is a very common thing. This is a very obvious thing that you should know about one of the programming language. If you are looking forward to make your career in the field of automation testing, in the field of QA, SDITs, then you should know about programming. Any one programming language is fine. It's a Java, JavaScript, TypeScript. You should know about these particular languages in order to grow ahead. Now, let me tell you about one more job opportunity, which is with respect to the Accenture company. So, Accenture is hiring freshers, and they are hiring software engineers ASE level. And these are the details. So you can get the details at this particular website. What I'll do is I'll put all these links in the first comment of the video so that it is easier for you to apply for the same. And they are looking for someone who is having experience 0 to 1 year. That is 11 months is also fine. So fresher, this is an opportunity for freshers. And the last day to apply for this particular position is today itself. So today you have to apply by 11:55 p.m. to get a job into this particular role. What they are looking is they are looking for hiring freshers for the level of for the job opportunity of associate software engineer, and batch eligibility is also given. It is 2025 passed outs. And what you would be doing is you would be developing, you would be designing and maintaining technologies that improve the way and with their clients that they work, right? Design, build, test, assemble, and configure application using business requirements, understand business drivers, aptitude to learn, good analytical and problem solving skills. All these things are required. Here is the criteria is also given. Any year of pass out until 2025. So you have been passed out in 21, 22, 23, 24. It's fine. You can apply for this particular job opportunity. And the highest qualification is BE, BTech, all branches. It's not like only related to the kind of CS or IT branch, but any branch people can apply here. But full-time education, so they should have completed full-time education, and you should not have any active backlogs in the semester during registration and onboarding. So this is an important thing. Now, coming to the next opportunity is with respect to Geo Hotstar, which is hiring for software development engineer test 2. So they are hiring for Bangalore location. And as a part of this particular SDET role, what you would be doing is you would be performing testing on the OTT platform, and you'll also get an opportunity to automate the things for complex backend services, machine learning models, and client side integration. So these things are also part of this. Key responsibilities are that you can employ testing tools and frameworks. You can create comprehensive test, ensure test run effectively, identify log and help resolve software defects, advocate for and implement strong QA methodologies. So all these things are included. So this is for someone who is having 2 to 4 years of experience. Next is again senior software development engineer test 1. This is again with respect to Bangalore location. And here again, you will get an opportunity to work on both UI as well as on API automation. These days, there's a lot of demand on automation side. So UI plus API, both opportunities you would get. And this is with respect to someone who is having experience of 4 to 7 years. So this is a mid-level of experience of the job opportunity. Previous one was a junior level of a job opportunity. You can apply for both of these jobs today itself. And as you can see, BE, BTech in computer science from a reputed college or related technical discipline with 4 to 7 years of experience in automation is required. So this is with respect to Geo Star company, which is hiring SDET as well as a senior SDET, right? So these are the opportunities. And then you can see the Accenture related opportunity also, which is there from the Accenture company, and that is for freshers. So if you are a fresher, you can apply over there. The last date to apply is 26th of December, 11:55 p.m. Okay. And if you are interested, you can just click on the link. I'll put all the links in the first comment of the video itself so that it becomes easier for you to apply. Next is there is also a requirement for manual testing engineer. So let me share that post also with you. Right. Okay. So this is the company FCS Software, which is looking for manual test engineer. Okay, this information is given here. What you can do is you can search online on their careers page as well related to this FCS software. And they are looking for manual testing engineer. So candidates should have 1+ year of hands-on experience in manual testing. Good understanding of SDLC, STLC is required. So these all details are required, and work experience is 1 to 3 years. Location is Delhi, NCR, Noida. And if you're interested, you can send your updated resume to this particular email address, right? So these are all the job opportunities wherein you can apply. So we saw the fresher opportunities, we saw the experience opportunities, right? Let me know if anything else is required from my end, would be happy to assist you, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.